guys, this is Cookie. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all getting ready for Halloween. I just wanted to share with you how easy it can be to decorate your home in a Halloween style. And for that, I'm going to use these two things that I just finished making. Isn't this an adorable little pumpkin bag? Normally they are much bigger, but since I don't have much space in my apartment, I went for the smaller option. And number two, this is something I'm very proud of, is a little Halloween light. I made it out of all the leftovers that I can find, and as you can see, these are little plastic bottles from different brands that look very adorable, and I'm happy that I was able to find an opportunity to give them a second life. Number one is obviously very easy and straightforward. You might have it to go from house to house if you're still doing that and getting some candy from your neighbors. I'm just going to put this on my desk because I love the color orange. I love pumpkins, so to me, in the Halloween time, this is an accessory that can't be missed. The second thing I wanted to share with you is this cute Halloween light. It was quite a coincidence that I even came up with it. The other day I was going through my DIY supplies and I found these little plastic bottles that I had collected a long time back. I don't even know for what. So I thought, why not get this little light which is hidden from within in here and use the little plastic bottles to stick them on top and make this a cute little Halloween light. And that's what I did. I love the way it looks, and it has a little switch so you can turn it on and off. Both of these projects are very easy to make. Today I'm going to show you how I made them in detail. So if you haven't had a chance to make something Halloween related for your apartment, this is the chance to do so, and let me get started right away. I decided to start my tutorial with this little pumpkin. The pumpkin was already pre-made, so all I had to do really was to put the individual parts together, which, as you can see, is very straightforward. If you're planning on putting things inside, such as sweets, I do encourage you to use a hot glue gun in order to make sure everything sticks together nicely. Otherwise, it might fall apart easily, and we don't want that to happen with all the different sweets in there. Since I'm just using it for decoration, I didn't do that, but just keep in mind that it might not be as stable if you don't use the hot glue gun. Now let's continue with the Halloween light, which I'm very excited about. I found these little skeletons in one of my supply bags. I'm not sure why I even got them back in time, but I think they work perfectly for this Halloween theme. In addition, I got all these little plastic bottles a long time back. Again, don't ask me why or what for. I love getting DIY supplies, so more often than not, I find myself buying things, putting them together, and then a few years later, I go through all my stuff and I realize what I could make out of them, and this is just such an example. It was very straightforward to make. As you can see, all I did was use the hot glue gun to put all the different parts together, and then just make sure that the switch works and your little Halloween light is ready. The reason why I used these bottles is, of course, since I had them at home, I wanted to use them, but at the same time, I think the colors work very well for this Halloween theme, and they look nice with the light that shines from underneath. Hence, don't feel compelled that you have to use exactly the same bottles as I do. I'm not even sure if you can still get them. I think I got them for free at some point, but just use whatever you like that you think looks nice and looks a bit shiny when you use a light that comes from underneath. I realized if you want to give it away as a present, it is a perfect fit since the light isn't that big, and you might consider getting some of these Chupa Chups, which exist in a Halloween theme that I found very adorable. This is an up-close view of what the light looks like at night. I hope you like it. This is the end of my video for today. I hope you liked watching it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider following me. If you like DIY related videos, I'm going to link some of them above so you can check them out in the meantime. And I'm going to get started on my next video and look forward to seeing you then. See you soon. Bye.